Greetings, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. We are Shreya and Kwame.
Yeah, a couple living our best life together, and bringing you along for the ride. So today we are diving into a topic that is close to us, Afro-Asian relationship advice.
Yes. As a Ghanaian and Nepalese couple, we've had our share of unique experiences, whether it's cultural differences, family expectations, or just day-to-day stuff. So Afro-Asian relationships have their own flavor.
Yeah, and so we are here to share what's worked for us and maybe help some of you who are in or curious about how just Afro-Asian relationships are. Yeah. So it's embracing each other's cultures.
Yes, the first thing.
Yeah. So first things first, we have to embrace each other's culture. That is the key. And one of the most amazing thing about Afro-Asian relationship is that you are constantly learning from each other. Also or each other's backgrounds, right?
Yes. And that means both of you need to stay open-minded. For us, that's look like celebrating both African and Nepalese festivals, trying each other's food, and even learning little phrases in each other's languages.
Yeah. It's fun, it's fun to try new things, but sometimes there can be a learning curve. Like the first time she made me try this food in Nepal called pan. Yeah. The first time she made me try pan.
Yeah, I'm guilty. But those differences make things exciting, right?
Yeah.
So embrace the culture and don't be afraid to make mistakes along the way.
Yeah. So then we come to what? We communicate openly and honestly.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is huge in any relationship, but in an Afro-Asian relationship, open communication is even more important.
Exactly. We've learned that it's better to ask questions than to make like assumptions. For instance, if something doesn't make sense, like culturally, yeah, it's okay to be curious and to ask about it rather than just assuming. What is he doing? This is so weird. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. And honesty is key. If something makes you uncomfortable, talk about it. Maybe it's a family expectation or any cultural misunderstandings. So addressing it openly can save a lot of confusion and hurt feelings.
Also plus it's like it's always nice to feel like understood. So if you are not sure about something, just say it. Hey, this is normal for you, but it's a simple thing. It's a simple question that can like open up a whole lot of conversation, like a good conversation between the two of you.
Yes. The third one will be understand family expectations. So family is usually a big deal in Afro-Asian relationships. Both African and Asian cultures can have strong family ties, which sometimes come with expectation.
Yeah. For example, there might be this family expectation around things like marriage, children, topic of children, and even like the roles within a relationship. It's important to talk about these things earlier on, or something. Yeah, earlier on, so that you both like know where you stand.
Yes. And remember, your families might not fully understand your relationship at first, but be patient and open with them. Share little things about each other's culture and give them time to adjust.
Yeah. we try to introduce each other's culture to our families gradually, you know, like showing some family photos, and then also sharing some recipes, yeah, or we just try to explain why we celebrate certain festivals. Yeah, over time, yeah, they will come to see like what makes that relationship special. That is what it's supposed to be. Yeah.
Yes. The fourth one.
Yeah.
What?
Celebrate your differences and find a common ground. Look behind me, see where we are. You know, another tip, right, is you have to celebrate your differences, you know, but also find some common ground which you both stand on. You know, our cultures have so much to offer, you know, and we learn a lot from each other.
Yes, and at the same time, it's important to focus on what brings you together. Yes, find hobbies, interests, or values you both share. For us, it's exploring new places, cooking together, and learning each other's perspectives.
Yeah. And when you celebrate what makes you unique, or when you celebrate what makes each of you unique, it strengthens the bond, you know, it strengthens your bond. So just don't try to blend into one culture. Let each of your cultures shine, you know. Don't try to blend, just say you want to blend. No, let it shine. You just step. You got it. If you don't get it, forget about it. Let's go to 5.
5.
Yeah.
Laugh at little things.
Yeah, you see this one.
Yes,
Just laugh it.
let's be real. There are going to be moments that makes you both laugh because of cultural quirks or misunderstandings. Embrace it.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, sometimes Shreya is like, I am calling her Shreya for the first time. Sometimes, you know, she might do some things that is like totally normal, you know.
For me, but
Yeah.
for him, it's different.
Yeah,
Like what?
like you do like this, then you say, or if you accidentally step on it, you do like this. You know, this it's just the little things that make like life interesting, you know.
Yeah.
Learn to laugh, man. Come on, enjoy the unique quirks, you know. That's each other's culture. Yeah. And 6, we
Number
do 6
6.
like this in China. Leo.
Yes, number 6. Be each other's support system. Yes, lastly, be each other's biggest supporters. Navigating an interracial relationship can come with challenges, especially if there's outside pressure.
Sometimes you might face some stereotypes or even comments from others who don't like actually understand, you know. When those things happens, just remember that you are into this together. That is what you have to remember, that you are in together. Cela deux, quoi.
And find strength in your relationship. Be each other's cheerleader and don't let anyone else's opinions get in the way of what you have.
Yeah, it's all about showing up for each other, you know. Like I show up for her, she show up for me. We respect each other's differences and we celebrate the uniqueness.
Yeah.
That bond, come on, man, that bond. James Bond.
So that's our take on Afro-Asian relationship advice. We hope this helps anyone
Asian.
out there who is in a similar relationship or just loves learning about cross-cultural connections.
Yeah, man. Let us know in the comment sections what you think, or if you have any other advice for Afro-Asian couples like us, or maybe others out there. As always, you know, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and always turn on the post notification so that you get notification each time we upload.
Yes. See you in the next one.
Until such time. Oh, but look behind us, see where we are. Look.
The weather is nice.
Look at that view, man. Until such time. Daniabad.
Akpa.